Welcome to You Certify PMI Project Management Professional Must-Know Glossary Terms. Term: accuracy. Definition: the state when data points are on or close to the mean. Term: active listening. Definition: the process of providing feedback to the sender. Term: actual cost, AC. Definition: the amount of money spent so far. Term: adaptive development approach. Definition: a development approach using both iterative and incremental approaches based on the values and principles from the Agile Manifesto. Term: AIDCAR model. Definition: an organizational change management model that focuses on 5 sequential steps an individual must achieve when adapting to change. Term: administrative closure. Definition: the process of closing a project or phase, aka close project or phase. Term: ambiguity. Definition: a state of being unclear, having difficulty in identifying the cause of events, or having multiple options to choose from. Term: baselines. The approved versions of a plan, a component of the project management plan. Term: benefit-cost ratio. Definition: the ratio between expected cost and expected benefits. Term: benefits management plan. Definition: a plan that documents the process for achieving and sustaining the value of the project. Term: benefits owner. Definition: the accountable person to monitor, record, and report realized benefits. Term: benefits realization. Definition: the point where the value of the project is achieved. Term: bidders conference. Definition: a meeting arranged by the buyer with all potential sellers. Term: bright line initiative. Definition: a PMI model to support executives who need to know how to bridge the gap between strategy and execution. Term: budget at completion, BAC. Definition: also known as cost baseline, BAC is the original baseline budget for the project. Term: burn-down chart. Definition: a chart that shows the work the Agile team has remaining. Term: burn-up chart. Definition: a chart that shows the work the Agile team has accomplished. Term: business case. Definition: the documented economic feasibility study to establish the validity of the benefit. Term: business documents. Definition: business case and benefits management plan. Term: business value. Definition: the net quantifiable benefit derived from the business endeavor. Term: cadence. Definition: the rhythm of activities conducted throughout the project. Term: complexity. Definition: a characteristic of a program or project or its environment that is difficult to manage due to system behavior, human behavior, and ambiguous nature. Term: conflict management. Definition: the set of techniques required to identify and resolve conflict in the workplace. Term: contingency reserve. Definition: money set aside for known risks. Term: control account. Definition: a management point where scope, budget, and schedule are compared to earned value for performance measurement. Term: control chart. Definition: a tool to show whether a process is stable and predictable. Term: corrective action. Definition: an intentional activity that realigns the work with the project management plan. Term: cost aggregation. Definition: the process of adding up individual costs to determine the budget for the project. Term: cost management plan. Definition: a plan that documents procedures for managing cost. Term: cost of conformance. Definition: money spent to avoid failures. Term: cost of non-conformance. Definition: money spent due to failures. Term: cost performance index, CPI. Definition: the cost efficiency you have achieved to date. Term: cost reimbursable contract. Definition: an arrangement in which the seller is reimbursed for all expenses. Term: cost variance, CV. Definition: how much you have overspent or underspent based on the amount of work you have done so far. Term, critical path. Definition, the longest path through a network representing the earliest completion for the project. Term, critical thinking. Definition, the objective analysis and evaluation of an issue to form a judgment. Term, cumulative flow diagram. Definition, a chart that shows the number of work items that have not started, are in progress, and are complete. Term, cycle time. Definition, a measurement that shows how long a particular task takes from start to finish. Term, decomposition. Definition, the technique of dividing the project into smaller, manageable components. Term, defect repair. Definition, an intentional activity to modify a non-conforming product to ensure it meets requirements, also referred to as rework. Term, definitive estimate. Definition, a range of -5% to +10%. Term, deliverable. Definition, any unique and verifiable product, result, or service that is required to complete a phase, process, or project. Term, delivery cadence. Definition, the timing and frequency of project deliverables. Term, development approach. Definition, a method to create and evolve the product, service, or result during the project lifecycle. Term, DevOps. Definition, a method or shared approach for a smooth delivery by improving communication and collaboration between the development and operations teams. Term, direct costs. Definition, costs directly attributable to the project. Term, earned value, EV. Definition, the amount of work that has been completed at a point in time from a monetary perspective. Term, effective communication. Definition, the act of providing the right information to the right stakeholders at the right time via the correct medium, addressing the audience. Term, efficient communication. Definition, the act of providing only the information needed in the shortest possible time. Term, emotional intelligence. Definition, the ability to identify, assess, and manage the personal emotions of oneself and other people, as well as the collective emotions of groups of people. Term, enterprise environmental factors, EEFs. Definition, conditions not under project team control that influence, constrain, or direct the project. Term, estimate at completion, EAC. Definition, the forecasted budget for the project. Term, estimate to complete, ETC. Definition, funding required to complete the project from now until the end. Term, explicit knowledge. Definition, knowledge that is tangible and easily codified. Term, fast tracking. Definition, converting sequential activities to parallel activities. Term, final report. Definition, the key artifact summarizing the project performance. Term, fixed costs. Definition, costs that are fixed regardless of usage. Term, fixed price contract. Definition, an arrangement in which the seller provides the entire work at one fixed cost to the buyer. Term, forecasts. Definition, projections based on historical data and trends, such as estimate to complete, ETC, to complete performance index, TCPI, variance at completion, VAC, and estimate at completion, EAC. Term, free float. Definition, the amount of time an activity can be delayed without delaying the early start of any subsequent activity. Term, funding limit reconciliation. Definition, the process of reconciling the work that needs to be performed with funding limits imposed by senior management. Term, gold plating. Definition, a process similar to scope creep, but initiated by the project team rather than the customer. Term, grade. Definition, a category assigned to deliverables having the same functional use but different technical characteristics. Term, hybrid development approach. Definition, a development approach using some aspects of incremental and/or iterative approaches, along with some aspects of predictive development approaches. Term: incremental development approach. Definition: a development approach in which the deliverable is produced successively, adding functionality until the deliverable contains the necessary and sufficient capability to be considered complete. Term: indirect costs. Definition: costs shared among teams and departments. Term: information radiator. Definition: a collection of charts and graphs showing the status of the Agile team and the status of the Agile project. Term: interactive communication. Definition: a type of communication in which anyone can talk at any time. Term: interest. Definition: the level and frequency of information the stakeholder needs about your project. Term: interpersonal skills. Definition: skills used to establish and maintain relationships with other people. Term: Ishikawa diagram. Definition: a tool to identify the root cause of an issue, also known as a cause and effect diagram, a fishbone diagram, or a YY diagram. Term: iterative development approach. Definition: a development approach in which the deliverable is produced by starting from an initial simplified, low-fidelity implementation, and then progressively elaborating on the solution until it contains all the features, details, and/or correctness to be considered complete. High fidelity. Term: Kanban board. Definition: a chart that shows work that has started, is in progress, and is complete, also known as the task board and Scrum board. Term: kill point. Definition: the point where the project is canceled. Term: Cotter's 8-step model. Definition: a top-down organizational change management approach. Term: lag. Definition: an imposed delay due to the nature of the work or other factors impacting the project. Term: leads. Definition: the amount of time successor activities can be adjusted so they can start earlier. Term: legitimacy. Definition: the level of involvement that a stakeholder has on a project. Term: make or buy analysis. Definition: a process used to determine whether to outsource the work or perform it in-house. Term: management reserve. Definition: money set aside for unknown risks. Term: managing change in organizations, a practice guide. Definition: an iterative model based on several change management models that is focused on many feedback loops for optimum success. Term: minimum business increment, MBI. Definition: the smallest amount of value that can be added that benefits the business. Term: minimum viable product, MVP. Definition: the smallest collection of features for a product to be considered functional. Term: mood chart. Definition: a visual used to track the mood and reaction of stakeholders using emojis and icons. Term: motivation. Definition: the reason or reasons one has for acting or behaving in a particular way. Term: negotiation. An acceptable agreement reached between two or more parties. Term: net present value. Definition: the difference between the present value of inflows of capital and the present value of outflows. Term: net promoter score. Definition: a number used to gauge customer satisfaction. Term: North Star statement. Definition: a declaration that articulates the vision and strategic objectives of the transformation. Term: opportunity. Definition: a positive risk, an uncertain event or condition that, if it occurs, has a positive effect on one or more project objectives. Term: organizational process assets, OPAs. Definition: plans, processes, policies, procedures, or knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. Term: osmotic communication. Definition: the act of absorbing the information around you without any direct communication. Term: outcome. Definition: an end result or consequence of a process or project. It can include outputs, artifacts, benefits, and value delivered. Term, Pareto chart. Definition, a histogram showing issues in descending order of frequency. Term, phase gate. Definition, the point where a determination is made whether to continue a project, aka stage gate, governance gate, toll gate, phase end. Term, planned value, PV. Definition, the amount of work that should have been completed at a point in time, from a monetary perspective. Term, portfolio. Definition, a group of projects, programs, subsidiary programs, and operations managed together to achieve strategic objectives. Term, power. Definition, the level of authority a stakeholder has on a project. Term, precedence diagramming method. Definition, a method to sequence activities and create the schedule, also known as activity on node. Term, precision. Definition, a state that occurs when data points are clustered together, little scatter. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to learn more.